what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning, right more than we're wrong.
Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. If they hit a base hit or a home run, sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we just want to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Elite Trading Levels. Taking some of my time here with you this morning as we do Monday morning through Friday, 9 a.m., unless something pops up randomly and I have a life event. But other than that, because I just want to make sure we want you guys to know it's not a guarantee that I do these. I do these with my own time every morning. And as a family man with children, you have to understand sometimes things happen and you got to go places with other work, things of that nature. So, apologize for anyone if I was gone for a couple days out of the week over the last month or so, but it was only just a brief couple day break every now and then just to get some stuff done. But we're here this morning and we're looking at what stocks are moving in the pre-market. We're looking at possible trade setups, entries and exits, support levels and resistance levels. Do you know what these mean? If not, it doesn't matter. Smash that like anyway. Drop a comment below. If you're on the Facebook page, make sure you reach out to us on the YouTube channel, Elite Trading, and that way you can have your comments read and discussed during the live. And as always, you can always go to the Elite Trading Discord in our private area and talk to us, and we can discuss these things separately. So, description has the links, and we'll get you all set up. But this morning, as you can see here, X is on the screen. We talked about this one getting some life around $20.50. $20 was our buy if we got lucky, but $20.50, if you got in there, you might have squeaked one in right here. No, you not quite. Nope, it's all the way down here. So yeah, you'd have to get in on this one here. We were trying to hit that again. Didn't get there. So there you go. Got your 50-cent run, 60-cent run, somewhere around there on X. And then now we're going to pull up and look at our bad boy MGM. So we had thoughts about this one breaking to the downside, hitting that 42.50 mark by breaking the previous low of 43. So we're watching for 43, see if it can break past this support level here and get you down there. If not, let's see if we're wrong, because we can't be wrong. There's always a opposite, there's always a different action to every reaction, a reaction to every action, right? Or whatever they say. Could go to 45, break 45, go hit that 46 again and try to attack that high for the third time. Could be a possibility. One stock that everyone quit talking about, AMC. We're not hearing much about that. You got your same guru guys talking about it that made, their money off of it. And I mean, we're down decent amount here. Scrolling this out because I want to see something here. So we had two forms of support. All right, and then it moves up almost every time. Well, this time, last time it's done it, it's come real close to the previous low and then rose significantly after breaking that other high. Well, now look, we're looking at that same setup, but we didn't come all the way down low enough, so maybe it's even more of a bullish trend that we come back up here to hit that 46. We'll see. If you count here to here, that is a 50% move, so now we got to create a new move, and it may be to try to break that 40, but if not, then it comes down here, hits that 30. What is that, 34? Let's see. 33.68. So watch for them to try to attack that 33.68. If it breaks below there, that might be your stop if you're long. I'm more of a scaredy cat, so I'd put it more like right here, 35.59 if I'm going long right now. But oh, I need a drink. SoFi, Chase. I am going to get to SoFi because that is a great call out. SoFi has upgrade after upgrade after upgrade. What are they saying? What are they talking about? Why do they care about it? Because it's the next big thing. Watch out, Dunkin' Donuts. Watch out, Starbucks. If you're a West Coast liver, you may be seeing these out there. I don't have any bros over here in the Midwest, but there's a lot of people that have been talking about them. They like them. They're saying lines are out the door. Customers are banging down the doors to get some coffee from these guys. It's a non-sit-in, walk-up style drive-through coffee joint. So take a look at Bros, BROS. With the upgrades, they're up about $1 this morning. And, you know, you've got resistance at those levels of 17, 18. You need to break through 18 like it's nobody's business. Get yourself all the way back up to those 22, 21 range. Find some support. That's what you'd want to see. Possibly a really good trading day on this one today. Could be one you just take a flyer on, put a stop loss in there, and let it do its thing. SoFi with the upgrades. They're calling. What do I do? I mixed two of them. So you threw me off, Chase. I was talking Bros, BROS. Let's pull this up, and then we're gonna go to SoFi. I don't know what I did there. I haven't had a full cup of coffee yet, so cut me some slack here. $43.63. They gave it the upgrade. It's got to break through 46 and get you up to that 50. That's what you want to see. Massive support in this area. So if it breaks through there, then you got some downside to go. So that's the Bros story. Sorry, that's the chart for the coffee story that we just gave you. It's leveling out here. Blast off to 75. Watch it. All right, now let's go back to SoFi. SoFi, good earnings, I believe, is what is driving this. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you've got some 18 resistance up there. You've got 14.55. You've got 15.50. So you're now looking at these two levels here. 15.95 could be your stop out. So you got $1 stop out with a $2 to the upside move. And if you're only taking a half of that, you have 1.5 to the upside, 1 to the downside on SoFi. I'm bullish the banks. Rates get increased. Banks make more money. Possibly looking for a dip to buy on the banks today. BAC, Citigroup. What else? Discovery. Bunch of them out there. Banks, and credit card companies are possibly going to do well here soon. Looking like a possible short on V. Ford had that breakout. Called that one. Said it'd be over 1450 by end of year. Darcy blows. I know some of our members in our group are ultra long some Ford, so hopefully they're benefiting from this most recent run. They've been playing some Ford, buying leaps, selling weeklies, making that weekly dough, monthly dough, and then buying those long terms, looking for that big run. So this might have been it. Ford's had a big move here. Pull up and see what we've got in our pre-market movers. Pre-market movers today, if you want to take your pen and paper out, pause it, do whatever you got to do. PTG X. That's P PTGX Protagonist went from $18.24 to pre-market high $34.72. 88% move on that bad boy, PTGX. Maybe something for you to watch. Look for a pullback, looking for that to continue to move. We'll see. ADMS up 73%. FLXN up 71%. TRVI up 31%. I mean, these are some big moves. But I always like to look at the other ones the other way. Let's look up at top losers. BSVN down 16.42%. So someone's taken a 16% hit already on their money for you. Maybe it's your turn to get in when they're down. JFIN getting knocked. JFIN down another 7.89%. 390 down to $3.60. People are waking up to some headache in that stock. Not a long position that I've ever held. Did trade it a couple times, but that one has been a brutal waste. We have Noodles, NDLS, on the losers list. Helion with a short report coming out. They're on the list too. HYLN. And HUDI, we won't leave you hanging, in INN, Summit Hotels. So those are your top losers and the top gainers that were in the pre-market. Watch out. Check your 52-week highs, 52-week lows, looking for some stuff to possibly trade. That's my opinion. Stay in the green. Stay blessed, everyone. And, trade wisely. Put that stop loss in. Thanks. Have a good day.